Kidding. So hi guys, I'm doing some unboxing right now. Yeah, I just bought mine. Thank you sa TikTok. Yeah, so I'm doing some unboxing. Okay, so what's inside this one? Then let's see. Oops. Box with a box. Okay, so leaflets. And what's this? Magnet. So yung okay. So for iPhone. So hindi ako naka-iPhone, so hindi ko siya magagamit unless naka-MagSafe ako. Then what else? Okay, so this one. It's a what's this? Flash. Yeah, may flash akong binili. Kasama na rin. And with the charger na rin sa loob. So ito flash to. May lightings na akong binili. What else is this box? Of course, Insta360 bag pouch. So Insta360 pouch. Yep. And ano pa? Okay, yeah, of course, siyempre sa main ano na tayo. I have this 360 yung connector. Unboxing literally. Ayan. So ito yung gagamitin ko for my phone. And then of course, the main attraction, ito na yan. Ang liit lang wala niya, pero medyo mabigat siya. So, yeah. So, 360. Ayan yung mga laman niya. So, lapag muna. So, this is the unit na. Yeah! All white. Now, I can use this one maybe later. So, hindi ko pa siya gamay. Baka masira. Okay. So, this is the one. Okay. Alright. How is it? Okay. Alright, there you go. So this is my unit for now. And let's see, charge ko na muna siya. And let's see how it goes. Okay. So bye guys. Later. I have one now.